Ever wonder if industry awards really reflect a gold RA company's quality? Learning how to interpret them can help you make smarter choices. Investors often question whether awards and industry recognition are trustworthy indicators of a company's quality. In the Why Choose Augusta guide, you will see examples of awards that demonstrate reliability and service excellence. These are examples from the guide to illustrate how you can use third-party recognition to vet any gold RA provider. When evaluating awards, consider the credibility of the organization giving the award, consistency of recognition over time, and how the awards align with customer reviews and industry standards. This Why Choose Augusta guide is just one of 8 in the free Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle, which also covers the Silver Scheme Report, Company Integrity Checklist, and Why Precious Metals. I've linked this one in the description so you can see how to interpret awards to identify reputable providers. By understanding how to evaluate third-party recognition, you will be better equipped to choose a Gold RA company with a proven track record. Download the full Gold RA Ultimate Guide bundle for free. It is beginner-friendly, very easy to follow, and it helps you move forward confidently by showing you how to interpret third-party awards to pick a reputable Gold RA provider. You can find the link in the description.